Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, let's focus on some of the important current affairs of May 2021. Let's start. Question number 1. After black fungus, which type of fungus infection has been detected in COVID-19 patients? The answer is candidiasis or white fungus. It is caused by Candida group of organisms. It is more dangerous than black fungus infection. Question number 2. Which country will host FIFA Under 17 Women's World Cup Football 2022? The answer is India. It will be organized from October 11 to 30th 2022. Question number 3. Which state has launched Sanjeevan Pariyojana initiative to provide quick medical care for people with mild to moderate symptoms of COVID-19 in rural areas? The answer is Haryana. Question number 4. Foreign direct investment FDI inflow has increased by what percentage during 2020-21 financial year? The answer is 10%. Singapore is the highest FDI investor. It is followed by the US and Mauritius. Gujarat received the highest FDI. Question number 5. Which organization has received the TDB National Award 2021? The answer is Bangalore-based startup Breath Applied Science. It is developed a method for converting CO2 to methanol and other chemicals. Question number 6. Who has won the India Biodiversity Award 2021 in the individual category of conservation of domesticated species? The answer is Saji NM, a farmer from Kerala. He is famous for cultivating more than 200 species of the tuber. Question number 7. When is World Thyroid Day observed every year? The answer is 25th May. The theme for 2021 is Mother Baby Iodine, the importance of iodine on the woman and her baby. Question number 8. Who has won the Monaco Grand Prix Formula 1 motor racing event? The answer is Max Verstappen. Question number 9. Who is the author of the book titled India and Asian Geopolitics, the Past, Present? The answer is Shiv Shankar Menon. He is an Indian diplomat. In the book, he has analyzed India's growing position as a counter to China in the Asia. Question number 10. India will open a new consulate in which country? The answer is Maldives in Ado City. Question number 11. Who has been appointed as Director of the Central Bureau of Investigation? The answer is Subodh Kumar Jaiswal. He has been appointed for a period of 2 years. Question number 12. Which state has launched the Mukhyamantri Vatsalya Yojana for orphaned children who have lost their parents due to COVID-19? The answer is Uttarakhand. Question number 13. Which space organization is planning to land its first mobile robot Viper on the moon in late 2023? The answer is NASA. Viper stands for Volatiles Investigating Polar Exploration Rover. The robot will search ice and other resources on and below the lunar surface. Question number 14. Who is the author of the book titled Nehru, Tibet and China? The answer is Avtar Singh Bhasin. The book is based on the events from 1949 to the Indo-China War. It also explains the current issues between India and China. Question number 15. Who has become the new Prime Minister of the Republic of Congo? The answer is Anatole Kolinet Makoso. The question number 16. Mohali International Hockey Stadium was renamed after which hockey player? The answer is Balbir Singh Sr. He was a 3-time Olympic gold medalist. The stadium would be known as Olympian Balbir Singh Sr. International Hockey Stadium. Question number 17. Who will be conferred with the International Annie Award 2020 for research into renewable energy? The answer is Professor C.N.R. Rao. He has been working on the hydrogen storage, photochemical and electrochemical production of hydrogen and solar production of hydrogen. Question number 18. Who has been conferred with Spain's Princess of Asturias Award in the Social Sciences category? The answer is Amartya Sen. He was conferred Nobel Prize in Economics in 1998. Question number 19. According to the World Meteorological Organization, Earth's temperature can rise by what degree Celsius in the next 5 years? The answer is more than 1.5 degree. In the next 5 years, the Sahel region of Central Africa will receive more rainfall while North America is likely to be drier. Question number 20. When is World Hunger Day observed every year? The answer is 28th May. World Hunger Day is observed to attract the attention of the world towards the people facing the issue of hunger around the world. Question number 21. Sach Kahun To is the autobiography of which Bollywood actor? The answer is Neena Gupta. She wrote this book during the lockdown in 2020. It will be released on 14th June. In this book, she has written about the many film industry issues like film industry politics, casting couch, nepotism in the film industry. Question number 22. Which film has won the Grand Jury Prize for Best Short Film at Indian Film Festival of Los Angeles 2021? The answer is Karisma Dube's Bittu. Tamil film Sethuman has won Grand Jury Award for Best Feature Film. Question number 23. Who has been elected as the President of the International Narcotics Control Board? The answer is Jagjit Pavadia. She is the first Indian to be appointed as President of the International Narcotics Control Board. She was the Narcotics Commissioner of India from 2006 to 2012. Question number 24. Who has won the World Choreography Awards 2020 title held in Los Angeles? The answer is Suresh Mukund. He becomes the first Indian to win the World Choreography Awards title. The World Choreography Awards is known as the Oscars of dance. Question number 25. When is World No Tobacco Day observed every year? The answer is 31st May. The theme for 2021 is Quit Tobacco to be a winner. According to WHO, tobacco use kills more than 8 million people around the world every year. Thank you friends for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you once again.